P-27 is a very, very important gene when it comes to preventing cells from unscheduled growth. If you have too little of it, you have a cancer phenotype. And fortuitously, a colleague by the name of Dr. Carly de Vries in Holland has studied this in patients undergoing coronary stent angioplasty. And she found a most remarkable linkage between a particular genetic change in the regulatory region of the P-27 and the clinical outcome. And Mike and I thought, well, perhaps this applies to vein grafts. And we've had a look at that. And the result was the same. We found that the genetic variation was quite common, about the same as in Holland. It was the same between Boston and Seattle, and the clinical outcome was truly remarkable. The AA genotype, if you were so lucky as to have it, was associated with an extraordinarily good outcome for the vein graft. And if you were so unfortunate to have the other form of the genotype, then you did less well. Now, that doesn't mean that you're completely hosed, as it were, but nevertheless, it tells us something about genetic variation, and more importantly than anything else, this example of what the larger consortium might be able to do points the way to a genetic basis for the response to injury and scarring.